There's something grounding about having a place that feels like yours when you travel solo. A place where the day slows down, the noise fades, and you can finally breathe again. And today, more of the spaces we live in, our homes on land and our cabins at sea, are beginning to use apps and tablets to control lights, temperature, entertainment, and even the mood of the room. For many of us, this isn't the most natural way to adjust to space. We're still used to using switches, remotes, and simple controls we can touch. But on Virgin Voyages, on every ship in their fleet, learning how to use the cabin tablet helps you to take full advantage of everything your cabin can offer: lights, comfort, entertainment, and the atmosphere, all designed to help your cabin feel calm, simple, and beautifully unhurried. In midlife, comfort becomes clarity. And when you're traveling solo, having a room you can easily adjust makes the entire voyage feel smoother. The cabin tablet isn't just an optional device, it's a way to shape your environment. So it supports your rhythm, morning, afternoon, and evening. We'll walk through each part step by step so you know exactly how to use it without feeling rushed. Lighting sets the tone for your entire cabin. You can brighten the space for mornings or soften it for evenings, or choose preset moods that shift the room instantly. Warm light, cool light, soft light, bright light. Each option changes how the room feels and how you feel inside of it. For solo travelers, the softer lighting modes create a calm that can help you unwind after a full day at sea. You tap once and the room responds immediately. In every Sea Terrace cabin on every Virgin Voyages ship, the tablet also controls the curtains. With a single touch, you can let the morning light in slowly or close the room off from the world when you need quiet. It's simple, easy, and gives you control on how your day begins and how it ends. Comfort is simple but essential. You can adjust the cabin temperature with a single touch, choosing the level that feels right for your day. A few degrees can change how relaxed you feel. The tablet makes it easy to shape the room so it supports your comfort without any effort. The tablet also controls your TV, movies, shows, ship information, and everything available on board. You can browse from the tablet or use it as a remote. It's simple, it's clear, and it is easy to navigate. Perfect for evenings when you want quiet time in your cabin without leaving your space. You can order food, drinks, or request items directly from the tablet. No telephone calls, no pressure, no need to talk to anyone if you don't want to. Just an easy way to get what you need while staying in your quiet space. For solo travelers, this simplicity makes the cabin feel even more comfortable. This is where the tablet becomes cinematic. Each preset changes the lighting and atmosphere of your cabin instantly, shifting it into a different feeling. Zen is calm, warm, and grounding. Hangover? Well, it's soft, dim, and more gentle. Pump It Up is bright and energetic. And then there's Get It On, which is warm, low lit, and provides an evening mood. With one touch, the entire room transforms. For solo travelers, these moods help you shape your day in a way that feels intentional. Whether you're waking up slowly, or resting in the afternoon, or settling in for the night. In midlife, you start to appreciate the small things. The quiet moments, the gentle rituals, the space that helps you feel like yourself again. Being able to shape your cabin with a single touch gives you comfort, control, and calm. It helps your room to become a place where you can rest, reflect, and recharge. It's a space that supports you instead of rushing you. Your cabin on the ship is your sanctuary, and the tablet helps you shape it in a way that feels intentional and beautifully unhurried. A quiet place to return to yourself at the end of each day. A space that feels like yours from the moment you arrive until the moment you leave. My name is Dr. Dan, and this channel is a calm, cinematic space for solo travelers in midlife who want their days to feel intentional, unhurried, and true to who they are. If you're someone who finds meaning in quiet moments at sea, if you're learning to feel comfortable in your own presence again, you're welcome here. And if you'd like to be part of more cinematic, calm moments like this, you're welcome to subscribe and join me for the journey. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.